Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 23rd, and we are going to take a look at the Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, after having touched 23.74 last Friday, so Palantir had a nice big green day. So we closed up 81 cents, so that's good for 3.37%. We closed at 24.82, all even numbers. Post-market, we are even Steven, dead on 24.82. So on the chart, we don't know the meaning of this close until we see it on the chart as a candle. We see that we touched, as I said, on last Friday, we touched the support here, and now we are bouncing nicely on that support. A small wick at the bottom, a small wick at the top also. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. This is 9:30. I had drawn this resistance last Friday, so this was the slope of the descent, and luckily, last Friday, during the last candle of last Friday, we had broken that resistance. So this was maybe a sign that things were going to at least not fall at the same rate. And because we were seeing higher lows here, so this was also an indication that maybe we are rebounding on 23.74. And indeed we were. So we just rebounded on 23.74, and the first nice hour was a nice green candle here. Then a little bit of a pullback on the second hour. Third hour, we seem to have hit support at the same low as the second candle. And then we went a little bit higher here, then stopped a little bit, and now a little bit higher again. So my concern, so this is a nice move. This is a nice move, blah, blah, blah. My concern is that we have just hit the resistance we have here. So does this mean that we are going back down tomorrow to revisit this and maybe do this and that until we decide that we break it for good, break this resistance for good? Maybe that's what's happening. Very quickly looking at the stochastic. Stochastic is not super high, not super high. We are at 58, so barely over 50. So because of this, I am worried that we might be indeed just going back down to 23.74 sometimes tomorrow or the day after. I don't know exactly, but I just find that this is a little bit a weak move for stochastic. Let's see tomorrow what happens. From a daily perspective, though, what does this look like? The two lines of MACD are positive and crossed over. Stochastic is like doing this. You can do trend lines on indicators, and to me, this is looking a little bit down. This is looking a little bit down, so maybe we are going to have a little bit of a pullback tomorrow on Palantir. I'm just saying, this is just my opinion. Please don't quote me on this, even though I recorded myself. DMI is seeing this as positive. So if we have a pullback here, it might just be a small pullback that's maybe insignificant compared to everything that happens to this stock. So we are just going to have to be careful in what we do. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Of course, you can join me for $5 a month to get access to my weekly technical analysis videos that I do on the weekend for Tesla and Palantir. If you happen to be there when I record them, then we can do a live stream together. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.